Explain It, a free online resource that explains the whys of things, even human behaviors. Yawning is something we all do, especially when we feel tired. It's that big open mouth stretch that seems to happen just when we need to wake up. The simplest explanation for yawning is that it helps us take in more oxygen and release carbon dioxide. When we're tired, our breathing tends to slow down, and yawning gives our body a little boost. It can also be a signal to our brain that it's time to relax and sleep. Think about yawning like a reset button for your body. Just as a computer might slow down when it has too many programs running, our bodies can feel sluggish when we're tired. Yawning helps clear out the sluggishness and gets us ready for what's next. When we yawn, it's not just about inhaling deeply. It involves a series of physiological changes. Research suggests that yawning increases oxygen intake, dilates the lungs, and helps regulate brain temperature. When we're tired, our brain can feel sluggish. Additionally, yawning could serve a social function. In our species, including and others, yawning can be contagious. Seeing someone yawn can trigger your own yawn, indicating a shared state of alertness or fatigue among individuals. This social aspect may have been rooted in our evolutionary past, helping groups synchronize their rest periods. So, yawning serves multiple purposes. It refreshes our body, cools our brain, and fosters social bonding. Think of it as a multi tool for your body that helps you stay sharp and connected with those around you.